We gotta change his name from Chris to something else when we call him.
Running Man?
I like Chris.
You like Chris?
I like Chris.
Okay, that's your name though.
Yeah.
Okay, this is really hot. This ugly. This is the women repellent jacket.
This is our producer Tom's jacket.
How to lose a girl and what is it? How to lose a guy in 15 days, 21 days, whatever it is.
Stock market portfolio. What's going on? What's happening? We talk about the market a lot, but now we're gonna start sharing what we do in the market and see how it works out.
We're not advising anybody. This is what we do.
Yeah, this is not an advisement. Entertainment purposes only.
This is how to lose money in the stock market by Garrick de la Flemme.
So we did a combination here. We'll go over the entire portfolio, but basically we wanted to focus on things that are down because of the coronavirus.
Speaking of that,
COVID-19.
what about like farming? That's a big one.
Farming, agricultural futures.
Yeah.
So we have a combination of the underlying equities or stocks.
They're going to bail out today.
Some option contracts. So one of the sectors that was impacted the most was oil, gas, oil production, oil consumption. Obviously, with airlines, with people not going to work, people not traveling, oil has been greatly impacted. So we'll put up the current holdings. We'll put up the current holdings of the account. We went through and did a bunch of research, and there's quite a few different holdings, but these were our kind of plays that we were looking at. We were pending Allegiant. Their earnings come out May 12th. And they were at 183 within the last 3 months. Their low was 60. Current price is right around 66.
That was this morning though. What is it now?
It actually bounced up just a bit.
Wait, do you have like an array of Apple Watch bands, or you always switching this out?
See ya.
Yeah, he does. See you later.
I do. Actually, you know what?
I feel like he always has.
Garrick and I are not gay, but we do share bands occasionally. Look at that body. It's fucking work of art right there. It's a quarantine. It's white. I want you to jump with the squat bar from the hot tub to the plateau with the bar in your hands.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Garrick.
Greg.
How to lose $50,000 in 10 days. We're off to a great start. Today, the whole market was pretty stagnant, kind of down.
Stagnant, kind of down.
Yeah, like.
Which one is it though?
Well, it depends on which stock. Well, you can. Do you know
oil? What is oil doing?
Do you know what a candlestick is? When you're reading a stock chart and it has a candlestick, it's like what it is. It's either green or red.
Does it look like a candlestick?
Yeah, because usually it'll have a wick at one end. It'll have a body where most of the orders get filled. But when you look at a stock chart, a candlestick is each one of the little things, either red or green as it goes up or down.
Okay.
And then if there's no movement up or down, it's dogmatic. And it's just a gray plus, and it's just vertical or horizontal moving. All right, so American Airlines closed at $9.16 today. Open profit and loss on that overall is $228 as of now.
Can I ask one question?
Yeah.
What happened with Southwest? This whole thing about someone getting run over by a plane, is that true?
Yeah, it is true. And as a result of
that,
Tom? We'll find out. We'll post the story. We're gonna put a link.
We're
gonna put a link right here.
What's the headline?
Put some shrimp in your tooth.
That shrimp was good. True Foods, if you guys have never had it, they finally got their shrimp in for this COVID. So we were able to have shrimp and chicken. Wait, we got to go over these positions here.
I'm coming back.
Okay?
Let's grab my drink.
GFL.
You're reading from my fucking phone. Do you need me to be there beside you?
This is my phone.
Oh, I said you're reading from a phone. What do you need?
Oh, okay. All right. Well, we can just do an overall total.
Can we come over here and sit down?
Yeah, we can sit down. The biggest gains this week were GFL Environmental. Closed at 1784 today. We did close a position on GFL. We closed May 15th calls at about a 40% gain there. After earnings, it popped up to almost 19. Currently up 8% on the actual shares and 128% on our contracts that expire in June.
Lovely. Whoa! Someone's got a cold.
Corona. Those are in the money now. So what that means is GFL is currently trading at 1784, and we have a call or the right to buy GFL stock at 1750. So that would mean that we are 34 cents in the money on our option contracts. The next biggest gain was OVV, Oventive. That's oil.
Yeah.
It's down on the day, but up on the week.
Look back there. There's nobody in the boats today.
Yeah,
no boating.
That's why oil's down today.
That's why oil's down.
Well,
we got one boat.
Oh, there's a shitty boat. Where's our binoculars?
I haven't seen the binoculars yet.
Where are
do
they?
Do we have them?
Oh yeah, we do.
Well, let's just not that right now.
Okay.
Let's just stick to what we're doing. We're
Those are gonna be
filming
sick.
something else.
All right, so GFL Oventive closed today at $5.91, under $6. So we'll definitely look at trying to buy some more of that tomorrow.
So tomorrow we're buying what? What are we doing tomorrow? Let's talk about that.
Okay.
This is what not to do. This is what we're gonna do.
We're gonna buy Suncor.
We're gonna buy Suncor.
Suncor is cheap. It closed today at $15.85.
We're gonna buy stock.
Yeah,
or
we're
we're
gonna
gonna buy
buy
a call.
shares. We have quite a few calls.
Shares.
We're gonna buy
We
shares.
already have
of
quite a
Suncor.
few calls. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
So we're gonna buy shares tomorrow.
Yeah, we have 121 shares, and as of right now, we have 11, 18, 23. We have 28 contracts
In oil or with Suncor?
with Suncor, which means 28 contracts. We have the right to buy 2,800 shares. That's a lot of money. So 2,800 shares at current price of $15.84 is 44,000 in buying power. And we executed that with.
Is that good or bad?
It's good.
Okay.
That means let's just say the stock were to move 10%. We effectively can earn 10% of 44,000 because that's what our buying power is.
Got it.
So we're gonna buy some Suncor, $15.85. It's more of a long-term play. They sold off like $500 million in notes that are due in 2025 to pay off some short-term debt and some other things, but I think they're still good. You know, they're huge. They've got a great balance sheet. They're Canadian, so they're probably pretty honest.
Who's this?
Suncor. Suncor. And what else do we say we're gonna buy? Oventive. It's below 6. It's a great buy.
This sound Canadian.
Oventive's oil. It's a big oil. Oventive is one that's priced based on like the price per barrel.
I know,
though.
I'm just joking.
So that's a good one to get into. And American Airlines, man. She's still so cheap.
Man, what about like MGM hotels, like obviously airlines, so Disney?
They're not really doing anything. I mean, MGM, we're down 22% on our shares. They're down to $12.68.
MGM?
Yeah.
Should buy more.
It is a good time to buy more. They were down 8% on the day.
Yeah, I should buy some of that tomorrow morning.
Okay.
I love that. That's good. MGM. Down. Buy it now. Buy it low.
MGM.
When's biggest opening?
They've already initiated, I believe, phase 1 and phase 2, so they're coming around pretty quickly.
What phase is your hair at right now?
As far as growth?
Growing out.
Oh.
Yeah. That beard too. Did you lose your fucking clippers? You
No.
look good though, man. You should grow that hair out. I think if you had a sick flow, like just ponytail, man bun, you'd look
I think you just say that so when we get out of this, you have a bigger pool to choose from.
No, I don't have a pool anymore.
I don't have a pool.
I think, honestly, like I think I'm done with the whole. I don't want to be.
Don't say that.
I'm not gonna be gay. I'm not gay.
Don't say that.
But I just don't want to date anymore. Just
Yeah.
tired.
Have you heard of this thing called Talkify? I keep getting it on Facebook. It says like dating for like, I don't know what it says, but it's something about like forget dating apps. It's like the best way to date.
You can't even explain it though.
Well, I haven't looked into it because I'm not ready
I
to
don't think
date.
you have yet. I think you have.
I'm not
You
ready
wouldn't
to
bring
date.
it up though.
Talkify. I keep seeing it on Facebook. Have you seen it, Tom?
No.
Talkify. MGM, Suncor, OVV. One thing that we are not trading that I would like to bring up that I like.
Food?
SPY. So SPY is an index of the S&P 500.
You say this every time, dude. Like, on every episode, you bring up SPY. Do you know that you do that every single time? You bring it up every.
We filmed one episode.
Every time you always talk about SPY. Every
That's
time
because it's a great indicator of the market. It is the S&P 500 index. It is a cumulative. If oil is up
I'm
and
not saying- I'm
everything's
not
up,
saying it's-
SPY's up.
But I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying, like, do you want to have Groundhog Day every time we do a recording?
Well, the people want to know what's going on with SPY. So it's bouncing off of this 279 high, low 280 threshold. It sunk down there today. It sunk down over
Are you speaking
$6,
English or-
$7. $6, $7. It just plummeted this morning, right? And then it bounced off
We
of
have a
that.
translator.
Bounced off of that resistance
Are we playing
threshold
basketball right
4 or 5 times. Closed the day at 281.60. All right, down $5.07. That's really good threshold. So if it gaps down below 280, there's going to be some crazy shit going on tomorrow. But if it holds and maybe gaps up, it'll pull back to 280. Great look at calls through the end of next week. Okay.
David Portnoy, what did he offer the
Portnoy?
Roger Goodell?
El Presidente, he paid $250,000 which all goes to, it was an auction, so it goes to some coronavirus relief or something, charity. $250,000 he paid to get a seat in his basement and watch a Monday Night Football game at Roger Goodell's house in his basement.
That's so good.
Keep in mind, Roger, he's banned. He got kicked out of the Super Bowl as a paying customer.
And if you follow it, you'll see the video footage. And he's a huge Patriots fan. So for him to get escorted out of second quarter of the game, maybe even the first quarter.
He's the founder of Barstool Sports.
It's worth over 3 commas. And
he spells million with a B.
Anyways, he gets escorted out of the Super Bowl.
Arrested. He went to jail. Like in handcuffs. Yeah.
Really?
In handcuffs. All right, that's it, guys. See you later. If you have any questions about the market, about SPY, any questions at all.
What's SPY?
SPY is an index of the S&P 500. SPY is actually the ticker. It's a great ticker. We'll see you guys pretty soon here. We got some...
We're going to grab the binoculars and do some spying from this patio.
We're going to do the Tesla this week. Tesla Model X P100D Performance Package. See you guys later.
Probably wanted views, no? See you guys later.
Bye.